Hey y'all, what's up? I just got a new toy and thought I'd share my initial thoughts with you. This is my HJC helmet, which is not the new toy. I've had it a while, but this helmet, the chin strap, it was so short I could barely get it buckled on the D-rings. It's a pain in the butt. I've got other helmets and have had quite a few over the years and haven't had a problem like this. And uh, D-rings can be kind of a little bit of a pain. Not enough for me to do anything about it till now. I went online on Amazon and found the ratcheted metal-to-metal helmet clip from the helmet shop. Like I said, I got tired of fighting. I just barely had enough strap to work it around the D-rings. And it took me a few minutes to install. They actually have a QVC code, or whatever it's called, product code on the back. Click on it and it will bring up a video showing you how to install it properly, and I'd highly recommend the video. It's not too complicated, but you don't want to screw something up. I did have to cut off the button or pop it off, the snap that was on the end of the strap, the snap on the strap, because you have to, and that scared me. But I paid the money, and these aren't too expensive. There's cheapy plastic ones like for $7-8. This one, I don't know, 12, 15, 20, 50. I didn't pay attention. So anyway, that was scary, and you particularly want to pay attention when you do this one. Make sure you run it through the D-rings just like you do your chin strap. You don't want to loop it around both. That's important, or else you're compromising the structural integrity. And what's the point of wearing a helmet if you're not going to wear it properly? I do miss living in a state where helmets are optional. That's just me. There's nothing like the wind through your hair. Dogs understand when they stick their heads out the window. Anyway, enough of that. This one was, I kept getting the one clip upside down, but there's a plastic clip you put on this side, and then you add this part, and it buckles, and it's there to stay, and it's easy to remove. I can hang it off my mirror or my handlebar. I can carry it around like this, and it's sturdy. The only thing I am having a problem with so far is you got a chunk of metal resting against your chin, and it's not the most comfortable feeling. I started to get used to it after a little bit of riding, but yeah, I don't know if I can put some fur or piece of cloth or something to make it less digging into my neck, into my chin. But that's the only thing I don't like so far. And other than that, it's a good way to make it nice and easy and extend your chin strap. Like I said, I wouldn't have bothered if the strap had been longer. I've had one helmet, or two helmets over the years that had the quick release build on, and it was handy. But the helmets that didn't have it, it doesn't save that much time or anything. I mean, it's not a big deal to hook up your D-rings, but it is handy to have something so quick. I don't have to take my gloves off for the first time with this helmet. So that's it. It's a thumbs up. Give it a try or don't. I don't care. What am I, your mother? The helmet shop. Metal to metal helmet clip. Helmet quick release buckle. I like it. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye!